Hello folks, we're going to try a third video today, not only to see if I'm getting any better at this, but we're going to test the 335 micro in hunting garb with the same arrow I'll be hunting with for noise. I'm going to cock this right beside the speaker, same location I'll be shooting from. Sorry about that, didn't mean to drop it. Loading the arrow right where I'm shooting. One shot, 25 yards. Pay attention to the sound after the shot, 25 yards away, and the sound right beside the camera. Right beside. Well, that's our test. See if this video is any better than the last one. It can't be any worse, we know that. Sound test 335. 25 yards. That's it today.